Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a flowchart on your Microsoft Loop workspace. So let us dive into this. So navigate to Microsoft Loop, access your workspace, and select the page you would like to add your flowchart to. So as you can see, I created that default flowchart. Let me show you how to create such a flowchart yourself. I will switch to that page here and start all over. So what you want to do is scroll to the very bottom of that page and enter a new command where it says just start typing. Enter the command / and then don't look for flowchart command because there's none of that. Instead, look for the mermaid command here. Select it and below you will see the default flowchart here. So simply customize it by entering your code below. You will see a default code line here in line 2. And you can, for example, insert your specific commands into these brackets, like need diagrams, for example, for the default box here. So let me go with, I don't know, option A. It pretty much depends on the content of your flowchart, of course. Then you may go with the second bracket here and go with option B, and so on and so forth, guys. So I guess you see the pattern here. You can also customize the action like apply, and you will see the live changes here. Now, what if you want to add more of these boxes to your flowchart? What I did, guys, I simply copied that code line here, pasted it here, and simply changed some of its parameters, like from A to C, from A to D. And you may add also more of these here in the same line, like for example here. And now, okay, that's a command that doesn't work, of course, so you will need to skip to the next and simply enter it here and customize it. And that's basically it, guys. Now you have these customization tools here at the top, like for example the display options. You may add a code, you may see the line numbers, the preview, and of course it doesn't have to be the mermaid model. You can go with Markdown for your say it flowchart, of course, but you can use languages like C++ or for example JavaScript, JSON. It pretty much depends on your coding language, guys. And if you need to zoom in, zoom out, you may use these commands in the bottom left, move up, move down. And last but not least, you may download your flowchart as a PNG in the top right corner. Just make sure that you select your coding language and enter the code with the statuses, items, and commands inside the brackets here to customize your flowchart. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.